Here's how to buy YouTube views in 2026 and get instant results. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to Naizop.com. Once you're on the site, just click Login and use your Google account to get signed up and started immediately. Next, you'll need to add a small balance. Head to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and several other secure options. It's super fast, so you can start boosting your channel right away. Now, go to New Order. Click the search bar and type YouTube views. You're going to want to choose the fourth option on the list. It costs $4.16 per 1,000 views, which is a great price for this level of quality. From here, just paste your YouTube video link. For this test, we are going to go with 50 views. Type that in, tap Order Now, and you're set. The system starts processing your request in the background instantly. So here's how it went, and the views got in. I checked back after a little while and refreshed the page. As you can see, the numbers are climbing exactly as planned. It's a great way to kickstart a new upload. Just a quick heads up. Remember that buying engagement carries risk since it's against the platform's terms of service. You want to use this tool naturally to avoid any flags on your account. If you're ready to boost your channel, go to Naizop using the link in the description below. It's a solid way to get that initial momentum. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more 2026 growth tips.